Hey guys, Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way out to Havasu Heights, which is just north of Lake Havasu, a couple miles. Gonna go check out a brand new or near brand new pool home with a casita on just over 2 acres. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out at 7805 North Hemlock Drive, and this is a just over 2 acre parcel out in Havasu Heights. If you're not familiar with Havasu Heights, it's about 7 miles north of Lake Havasu, in between Lake Havasu and the Interstate 40. Nice area. It's all rural agricultural zone, so you can have livestock. You can kind of do whatever you want out here. Nice around. Let's go check it out. Part of the lot, I believe, and that is a 40 by 60 steel building. The materials and instructions, they're available outside of escrow to the first buyer, obviously. Tons of room. Forget how super quiet it is out here. Little fire pit. Tiny little wash behind the house. Doesn't look like it's very active. New construction back there. Let's go in and check it out. Nice little courtyard entry. All right, guys, so this is a total of 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It does have a 1-1 casita. Built in 2018, 2,322 square feet. Again, it sits on just over 2 acres of property out in Havasu Heights. Very desirable place with the locals. Super quiet, kind of do what you want out here. They did some upgrades with the cabinets, and there's window treatments all in all rooms, it looks like. Skylights, can lights. So you got the man door to the garage, your indoor laundry, and your master on one side of the house. It's a split floor plan. It's got a nice skylight in the laundry area. It's got some closets. So the master is a real good size. It's got a slider to the backyard pool area. It's all pre-wired, troweled down walls throughout the whole house. Nice master bath with double vanities, skylight, walk-in shower. Big walk-in shower with dual heads. Also has a pretty big walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got the other 2 main bedrooms off to the other side of the house. You have your guest bath, also has dual vanities, same cabinetry. It's all soft touch closed stuff too. It's really nice. Full bath. So you have bedroom number 2, the front of the house. Kind of just a standard setup, but does have the full length closet with slider doors. So you have bedroom number 3. This also has its own bathroom, like a little junior master suite, and a door to the pool area. So this would kind of be a pool bath type setup. Got a walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the garage and the casita and the pool area. All right, so this is a 3-car garage. And it looks like it has a 36-foot bay, and those are 9-foot doors. Of course, there's plenty of room on this property to build and do whatever you'd like to do. Your RO, water softener, water heater. All right, so you have your pool area and casita. Little guest house back here. Nice built-in barbecue. All travertine decking. All pre-wired patio for speakers, TV, cable, etc. Little Baja shelf on the pool. Very nice pool. The hot tub is run with a propane tank. Very nice, big spa. I think this might be the end of the property where those stakes are and the utility right there. I think this might be the end of it. But we'd have to look on a plat map to know for sure. Equipment, it's all brand new, of course. Heater runs over to the propane tank. Got a mini split AC unit for the casita, so it has its own air conditioning control. All right, so you have your little casita in here, all the same appointments as the rest of the house. Same tile, same cabinetry. Real nice. Again, it has the trowel down walls, mini split AC, little fridge. Pretty cool. Has a closet right here to the left. You also have your bathroom and walk-in shower. All nice tile work. Very nice. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Hemlock. This is a great house. It was actually just reduced yesterday. The sellers are ready to move on. It's listed at a price that should make it go pretty quick. So I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can check out the original listing pictures, keep track of the activity and all that. Also, I'll put my direct contact information right below this video, so if you guys have any questions about it, or there's anything I missed or I can help explain, feel free to reach out to me anytime with any questions. I'm here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.